In this video, I will show you the easiest way to make GIF from video on iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store and you have to search here shortcut, and if you don't have shortcut, just install the shortcut app. Now on your iPhone, just open the shortcut app and now tap on gallery, and here you will directly jump into shortcut gallery. Now scroll down and just find out this GIF section. Tap on see all, and here in this GIF section or GIF list, you have to find out this video to GIF shortcut. Now just add this shortcut. Now go to your shortcuts, and at the top of the shortcut list, here you will find video to GIF. Just tap on the shortcut. And now from your gallery, just go ahead and select the video that you want to convert to GIF. And here you can see the video add date. Now it's time to crop this video. Using this handle, you will be able to easily crop your video just like so. And then tap on save. And tap on share at the bottom left. And tap on save image. Tap on done. Now I'm going to opening my Photos app. And here is the GIF I just converted from a video. Tapping on info button. And here we can see this is a GIF.